How to find and open game files on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to find and open game files on iPhone. So let's get started. First thing, just open up your files explorer on your iPhone, and once inside it, now simply select this browse option from the bottom right corner and just tap on this browse feature or browse option and make sure you have selected this on my iPhone so that you can see or access all of the files or games or applications on your iPhone. So once you're inside here, now just tap on the search bar and simply search in for any particular games which you have probably installed on your device. So just remember that some games might be hidden because they do not allow to access everything. So in that case, you cannot do everything. So but if the game allows your files to be accessed or viewed from over here, you can see or all of open any game files from your iPhone right over here. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.